Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. My name is Rizky Aditya. Today I would like to present about inside the computer and hardware. I will explain the main parts inside a computer and some example of computer hardware through the slides. Next, first, let's talk about hardware. Is the physical parts of computer system. It means hardware is anything in a computer that we can see and touch. Example include keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, speaker, and computer case. Hardware needs software to give instruction. Now, let's look inside the computer. Inside a computer, there are several important components: motherboard, CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, PSU, and cooling system. Each component each component has a different function, but they work together as one system. The first component is the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of the computer. It connects important components such as the CPU, RAM storage, and other devices. Next is the CPU or Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it processes instruction and runs program. Next, we have RAM and storage. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is temporary memory and stores data currently used by the computer. When the computer is turned off, the data in RAM disappears. Storage is used to save data permanently, such as documents, photos, videos, application, and the operating system. Now, let's continue with GPU, PSU, and cooling system. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Units. It processes image, videos, animation, and graphic. The PSU supplies electrical power to computer component. The cooling system helps reduce heat inside the computer using fans or heatsink. After di- discussing After discussing the components inside the computer, let's move to hardware device outside the computer. Input devices are used to send data into the computer, such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam, and microphone. Output device present information from the computer to the user, such as monitor, printer, speaker, and headset. To conclude, computer hardware includes both internal components and external devices. Internal components help the computer work properly. External hardware helps user interact with the computer. Hardware is very important because it supports the whole computer system. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.